Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make sliding necklace knots. Start with the basics, gathering your cord, scissors, and a ruler. Selecting the right cord is crucial. A 2mm waxed cotton or leather cord works wonderfully for durability and ease of knotting. Make sure your cord is at least 24 inches long to give you ample room to work. This initial preparation sets you up for success in creating a beautiful, adjustable necklace. Now, let's create the first part of our sliding knot. Lay your main necklace cord flat. Take one end of the cord and bring it over the main cord, forming a small loop. This loop should be approximately 1/2 inch in diameter. Hold this loop firmly in place with your thumb and forefinger. This forms the foundation for your first adjustable knot. With your first loop held steady, take the working end of the cord and wrap it around both the main cord and through the loop you just formed. Aim for 3 to 5 wraps, ensuring each wrap is snug and tight. This creates the body of your knot. Once wrapped, carefully pull the working end completely through the initial loop. This action begins to secure your knot. Now, gently pull both the main cord and the working end to tighten your first knot. It should form a compact, secure barrel shape. Repeat this entire process, creating an identical sliding knot on the opposite side of your necklace. Once both knots are complete, test them. They should slide smoothly along the main cord, allowing for easy length adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.